Today, we're going to introduce a powerful tool that makes transferring data from Huawei phones to your computer a breeze. It's called MobiKin Assistant for Android. Let's dive into how to use it for this task. Step 1. Download and install MobiKin Assistant for Android. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed MobiKin Assistant for Android on your computer. Step 2. Connect Huawei phone to computer. Use a USB data cable to connect your Huawei phone to the computer. Launch MobiKin Assistant for Android, and it will automatically detect your device. Step 3. Select data types and start transfer. In MobiKin Assistant for Android, you can choose the types of data you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, photos, etc. Select the content you need. Then click the Export button to start the transfer.